Hi guys, welcome to VeganHood. Today we're making a chaat dish with corn, peanuts and chana. It is very simple and has only a few steps, so let's take a look at the ingredients. Kala chana, peanuts, corn, onion, tomato and coriander, chaat masala, lemon and salt. Okay, so let's start by taking the kala chana in a bowl, washing it thoroughly, draining it, and then adding some fresh water and letting that soak for about 6 hours. Next, we'll do the same with the peanuts, that is, wash them, then drain them, then add some water and letting them soak. So this is after 6 hours of soaking. I have mixed the corn along with the peanuts and the kala chana. Now add 2 cups of water and pressure cook it for 5 whistles. Till they are cooking, let's chop the vegetables. First the tomatoes into fine cubes. Then dice the onion. And finally the coriander. Now that all the ingredients are ready, let's mix them. First, I'm adding 3 teaspoons of onion, then 3 teaspoons of tomato, about 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. My chaat masala already has red chili powder in it. If yours doesn't, you can add it. Add some salt. Let's squeeze in a lemon. And finally garnish it with some coriander. Now let's mix it all together. And it's all done. It's a very simple recipe. I hope you guys try this one out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please hit like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.